Good morning. I saw you folks had a 2-hour late start. I hope you're enjoying your morning. I just wanted to make a quick screencast video to kind of give you an orientation to Google Classroom. We didn't get it off the ground the way we had hoped, so we're kind of doing a do-over. If you type in classroom.google.com and you're logged into your Grandview Christian School Google account, it will take you directly to our classroom. And I recommend that you bookmark this page once you get there, okay? You can just add a bookmark. Now, I'm logged in as Linda, and Linda is enrolled in 4 different classes. That's why she sees 4 here. Okay. When you go to your home, you will only have one option in here, which is your grade level. I'm going to go ahead and get into the elementary school. Just click on that. And everyone has the same assignments at this point. The only thing that should look different is the graphic that you have up at the top. The stream, which is the tab I'm currently in, it will include assignments and announcements, and it is organized so that the first thing I sent out is at the bottom and the last thing I sent out should be at the top. Okay? If I click on the classmates link, it includes email addresses for everyone in the class. And you can also click on the About link, which has given additional, we put some additional reading in there and resources for you. Okay, you can access your Google Drive folder by clicking right here. Okay, I'm going to go back to the stream, and what I want you to know is this one is just an announcement. There's nothing to interact with here. This one is an announcement. I put a link in. This one you can access the calendar by going here, okay? And we put all of our book assignments and that kind of thing in there. Here is the screenshot at a glance of the dates where everything is due. When it pops out like this, it opens in a new window. Once you looked at it, go ahead and close out of that. Roles defined, if I click on this, and you notice I did click the link that is lower down on that assignment rather than the title of the assignment. Here is the document that you'll need for the roles, and again I can just close that in that tab. It opens in a new tab. Okay, and again I can click on this on the title, but what it will take you to is a list of the work that is done, okay? And this is where you could add other things or create a new document, but this does not open up the document itself, the assignment. I'm going to show you, okay? So when I clicked on that, I got into that view that I just showed you. Right down here is where the actual link is to that Google Doc. Okay? When I click on that, you will be able to see the document itself. And I added that as the conversation doc for January 19th. This is the work you already did. I wanted to make sure that we got this added to Classroom. So I just copied and pasted the information you provided on a document inside of Classroom. Okay. Now, one thing we do need you to do, we went ahead and added names in here for each one of these tables, and we weren't sure whether or not these were accurate. So if you would go in and edit, if need be, the names that are assigned to each one of these. And we won't add comments until we know for a fact that we're sharing them with the right people. So if you would please go ahead and edit the names of the people in your group, and we'll get those comments out to you. Okay, I'm going to close this tab. And let's see, yep. So we added this conversation document. You have already included it. Chances are you've already done this one. Don't worry about it. I will go ahead and paste it back into here when everybody's done. Same thing with the 28th. If you've already done the work, don't worry about it. The next one that we want you to use is that February 5th conversation document. And again, click on the link here. Okay, when you click on the link, it actually creates this document. You're going to scroll down to your section and add your notes to it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and close out of this. And this is where you would let the teacher know that you have completed it. Okay, so you would click to mark it as done, then it goes back into our folder. That way we can see what you're doing and provide feedback for your work. Okay. All right, role rotation by chapter. We're asking that you fill out only one of these per group. We don't need each person to complete it. So as a group, decide who's doing what so that we know who is responsible for which role. Okay. On the left-hand side are due dates for each one of the chapters, and at this point we're kind of off our schedule a bit, so those are kind of soft. If you have any questions, email Marissa or Linda or myself. Hopefully this answered a few questions. Thanks, folks.